don't have shoes on, guys, but good morning. This is exactly why everybody wants to catch these goats and kill them, because they're everywhere. Like, we are doing that people them yard. When your family comes to look for you after 10 years.
I call up my man and tell her whatever. I say, my niece, they go away and we carry one little something going there because she can't go eating like cool. Warm up her blood. So you tell me about me not have no time for you.
It's my auntie Nadine, you guys.
Which non time?
She used to be one of my favorites.
Because see, same thing she did cause and they said nobody not paying her any mind when she come to Jamaica. So, alright. Watch out! She never video me. She video me conversation. Oh, I tell you, oh she dey cuss me out about nobody not pay her no mind in Jamaica. So she dey the video me, if you put me on video, if you carry me a Canada, go put me on show, TV show over there. And then my daughter.
What TV show?
2 weeks in there, I find out they go away Friday. And me not see her. Then I first me see her exactly. Yeah. You can't believe that. Say hi to her. Say hello.
Hello?
Alright, we're limited in time. I have to spend a little time and me have left with him because I'm evening and I have to go come down. So me have to spend a little time with him. So when we come back I'll be here, we have time to go, but now me have to talk with her.
On the road again. Wait, did I see you guys today again? No? Yes? No? Yes? Anyways, it's February 17th. 2 more days till I go back home. And I'm going to get food with an estranged family member, one I haven't seen in a couple of years.
Oh, really then?
She just raided my suitcases.
I am very rare.
But I'm gonna go back and get back my bracelets.
I'm like diamond.
Because she can't have my bracelet and my necklace. I love gold and black, so I can't give up everything gold and black, because then I won't have anything to wear when I go out, you know?
So you come to my house for a pair of gold and black bracelets.
No, so why do I need to get yours if you already have? I don't understand. Just leave mine.
No.
Like,
you go and wear mine over there and I wear yours here. That's how we do it. That's how we roll in Jamaica.
I'm Canadian.
So I'm teaching you.
Hi. You're not fine your yard. Are you?
Take it up. Ooh.
You guys, that's Palace Multiplex. That is Montego Bay's movie theater. Okay, so when you guys come to Montego Bay, you guys go there to watch movies if you want, if that's what you're coming. Right. If that's what you guys want to do in Jamaica. I don't come here to watch movies, so I don't go to the theater. You understand? I'm going to my favoritist food place. Favoritist food place. Woo!
Favoritist food place.
This is Fairview Shopping Center or City Center, Shopping Center, whatever it's called.
Owned by Delroy Brown.
I used to think that Sinclair's Bargain Center was my uncle's store, but it's not. And In Jamaica, they're always doing construction. They're always building something.
Before we go to the food place, I'm gonna show you the hottest clothes store.
The hottest clothes store?
Oh,
Where are you gonna show Maxi?
You're mad. Don't say my God. You have to video this picture, girl.
No, anything in here is expensive. What, House of Style? No, Sam, I can't shop at them place. It's too dear. It's too dear for me.
So you gotta show them some stuff. Come inside and look at it, and then we go over by the price.
I'm not gonna get you anything, so don't buy it on anything.
Parents go to our room picnic, and they're wanting them before they go in the store.
She told me not to point on anything because she's not going to buy me anything. So this is what you like? Hello. Ooh, this is my section, black and white.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my
So
section.
this is the place.
I like this shirt. Actually, this is very cute.
So let them know. Let
This is
them
very
know. Let them know.
cute.
This is it. Nowhere else. Lights don't have these stuff, and Maxi don't have these stuff. So this is the place.
So this is me not put on a shirt.
I didn't realize. I didn't realize.
My God.
So you can't wear that?
Why?
Why not? It's a plain white t-shirt.
No, sir, I need a shirt.
Okay, well, I'll be back. Yeah, so we're going to Trelawney. I'm gonna go see Tamika and my uncle and all my little baby cousins. I'm just excited to go and drink and hopefully eat chicken. Is it me? So where we're driving down right now is the infamous Long Hill. And it's called, don't mind the bird doo-doo on my daddy's window. And it's
Call you, you know, you must know what going on, you know.
It's called Long Hill for a reason.
Eh. Yeah.
I think this was the truck that fell into the gully the other day.
Yeah. Come on. Yes, man. That's right. Yeah.
Come on, why would you guys all want to... Oh my gosh. So yeah, guys, this is Long Hill. Okay? You see this side over here? You see where all these little open parts are? That's where people dropped over. Okay? They knocked that part out and they fell over into the gully, okay? Daddy, true story or lie? True story?
True.
Thank you. So yeah, this hill is... Yeah, that's what I was showing them. They dropped into the gully the other day and it took 2 days for them to take it out. That's how far down it went, okay? So it's a serious hill. If you don't know how to manage Long Hill, it will take your life. Yeah, so especially when it's raining and it's slippery, that's the worst time. But do you guys see all these like knockouts? That's not a design. Those are accidents that cause that. Every time somebody comes to Jamaica and I tell them, if you go on Long Hill, look at, they're like, Zoe, you're lying. I'm like, for real though, they're accidents. And it's called Long Hill because it is really a long hill, going up and going down.
Yeah, Jamaica is all about adventure, you know?
Yeah. Why don't these cars stay in their lane? Like, and the trucks are so worse.
Like, you're big already. What is your problem? How long does it take to get to Trelawney, Daddy? 3/4 of an hour, so 45 minutes? Wow, I can do math. Yeah. Can't show it to you guys, sorry. I'd have to be walking. That's what I did. I put out the door on your head. Yeah, I seen, because they pulled it out from all the way down there. But I was saying, how did he end up over there? Like, did he come down the hill too wrong? Got to first. Oh, wow. Is the driver okay, though? I assume so. Okay. Because the way I seen that truck lying in there, I was like, yo.
I thought he turned because it's right after that last turn.
Somehow me just believe on a tire. I think that's something break off on the truck. Now they say the right hand tire burst. When your right hand tire burst with a truck with load,
Yeah.
pull to that side of the tire burst.
And it's on the left side.
And then if you come off.
And it was coming down. It's not like it was going up. So. And this is the road that leads you into Montego Bay. As you can see, we are coming out into the horizon. Can you guys see it? Are you guys seeing it? Yes, look at that. And now we are stuck behind this tractor, this truck, this pickup. I'm trying so hard not to shake for you guys, but it's a bumpy ride. Yeah, that's the road to go to Negril and to go to Lucy and to go to Oakwell. Daddy, what beach is over there? Oh, that's Reading? I've already shown. So when I get onto the highway and we're heading to Trelawney, I will show you guys the rest. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Because I'm excited. You remember what happened the last time? We saw chickens. We had chicken. We saw Scattershaw cooking the chicken. And then we saw Tamika and him fighting over the chicken because she wasn't supposed to get none of the chicken, but she brought the foil paper for the chicken anyways and we're getting the chicken. So yeah, that's my crazy cousin that we're going to go see. You know the mad one? The Maga mad one? Yeah, she's the same one. We're gonna go saw her. And my dad's brother. So cute. So excited. Bye.
It's Mark.
I got a new cousin, guys.
Yes. Because I'm not around, I'm in Trelawney.
My Tamika had another baby.
Okay.
My bug.
Okay.
Come young boy.
Hi, princess. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Tell everybody what's your name. And how old are you? 6? 6 years old? No way. You're only 2. You're only 2. You're how old? 7? And how old are you?
4.
You know hear me I call you?
No.
Mr. The baby hungry.
Daddy, mommy, daddy, you
She drink the rum for me, you know. Because I don't drink rum, so she drink the rum. All women never drink because she drinks it. That's what call us.
you know say you don't drink rum.
You want more than that? You want more than that?
I take one drink, but
I'll try this for now.
Yeah, right.
Let me see it.
No, I know when I the back, you know.
Oh, okay. So apparently this is some type of rum that is supposed to be really strong. It's the straight raw Jankro, not JB. Well, JB, but the raw straight one. Whatever. Come.
yeah, at least your grandpa used to drink.
Okay.
Why for too much? What about the rum and something? You think I play something this?
No. Hold this.
It's not spoil well. How good it is.
I just want to spin it. I mean, spin it. She's spinning it. Yes. There she goes. There she goes. Yes. Take a sip now. Take a sip.
It's very thin. And
Yes. She's at her uncle. Yeah.
tastes like regular rum. It tastes like regular rum, you know. It's like a mix.
She can't go no more. No more. She can't go no more.
What is Tamika talking about? What is she talking about?